Here we are at 2006 Hawkesbury River Classic. This is Miles. And we got Gabby here. Gabby! Miles. Pumped. Working out hard, ready to go. We got Raph munching on his raisin toast.
You're not on this kid.
Load those carbs, Raph.
Yeah, but it's a competitive one.
I got David. David, where is he? David Yerbury. Yep.
Fancy running into you down here.
Survived his house fire here on the land crew.
Just getting position now. How exciting. And it's 7-point-something meters long, their kayak. Good luck to them.
Standing up. It's at the starting boat.
Oh, the man standing up.
It's just in front.
Oh, yeah, that too.
Yellow and orange, see? Yellow behind, orange in front.
That's,
Well, they won't get it.
26 past.
Behind the starter.
These guys have wicked boat. Their lights up top and they've got Godzilla in the middle with his own paddle. Good fun.
Oh, these people are over.
Yeah. Oh, they're already over. Okay.
Oh no.
It's not good. No, it's not good, is it?
People have tipped over
Oh,
already.
no, and their canoe's full.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Full of water.
How
Poor
embarrassing.
things.
Oh,
I'm glad it's not me.
That is embarrassing.
And
look, it's submerged.
you can't just pick it up when it's like that, or
Oh,
snap it.
we just way up front.
Where have they gone? I've lost them now. I've lost them. Because I was
There,
watching
just
them.
there.
Oh, yes. Oh,
The buzzer just went and they're away.
I can't see where they are, but...
Oh, yeah. Here's Raph and Miles, everybody, coming to the finish line. Looking very strong. Just paddled 110 k's in the Hawkesbury Canoe Classic. Here they are, all smiles. Here they are, the heroes of the day. Have done a brilliant time. Look at them, looking tired and doing very well. Fantastic. Good on you guys.